Very good morning, class 11th. Today we'll be looking at some questions from exercise 9.1 binomial theorem. Yesterday we did some simple questions on binomial theorem that was from exercise 1 to 8, and I hope everyone was able to do those questions. And question number 1 to 4 were like same questions on finding the number of terms in the expansion of the the questions or the binomials given. Now today we'll be looking at question number 9 and onwards. Question number 9, this is second part that I have written down, and I'll help you guys how to do this question. So the very basic thing you'll do is you'll write x minus 1, let x minus root x minus 1 be y. So if I just make this question again, x plus y plus x minus y to the power 6 to the power 6. Now this is a totally new question for me, and what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to put the formula for this term, that is C60 x to the power 6 plus C61 x to the power 5 y plus C62 x to the power 4 y2 plus C63 x to the power 3 y, and y की power, it's going to be, what's going to be the y power? Y power is going to be 3. Altogether it should be 6 plus C64 x to the power 2 and y to the power 4 plus C64 5 x to the power x and y to the power 5 plus C66 then y to the power 6, and then I'll have a plus sign, and after plus sign I have the same thing only, so I'll write the same things. If you guys see, the only thing that I'll be missing right now is the sign, and I'll write the sign later on. So I'm writing the same thing, 4x square y2 C65 xy5 6y6. Now if you have a look, I told you earlier also in the earlier video that if there's a minus sign in the middle, so it's going to be plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. So that's how it's going to work. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add both of them. When I'm adding both of them, the good thing is going to be this will be cancelled out, this will be cancelled out, and this will be cancelled out. So what is left? Whatever is left, it's going to be left 2, because this plus 2 is equals to 2 C60 x to the power 6 plus 2 is, I took 2 as common outside, c की power 6 2 x to the power 4 y2 plus 6 c की power 6 x की power 2 y4 and plus c की power 6 6 and y की power this. Okay, now what I have to do, I just need to put the values back. Yeah, and before putting the values back, I'll just solve this c part also. This is going to be 1, and this is going to be, what is it this is going to be? If I 6 and 2 and 4, 6 into 5, 15 x4 y2 plus 6 4 into, so again this is going to be 15 x square y4 plus y to the power 6. Now I got the coefficients by solving and putting these combinations. Now what I have to do, I just have to put the value of y. Y was root x minus 1, so x to the power 6, 15 x to the power 4, and this is going to be y का square, मतलब इसका square, so it's going to be x minus 1, if you guys can see very carefully, plus 15 x square, and अगर इसके पावर 4 डाल दें और इसकी पावर 4 डाल दें, so what's going to be x minus 1 का whole square हो जाएगा. You guys can just put an idea कि जब स्क्वायर रूट हटेगा 4 पावर है तो क्या आएगा, प्लस This is going to be x minus 1 to the power 3. So that's how it's going to be, and then I can solve this out. 2x to the power 6 plus 15x to the power 5 minus x to the power 4. Okay, and this can be together multiplied by 15, and then you can open up the bracket and solve this very thoroughly and put the like terms together if you want to. Okay, this is a very interesting question, but as it is interesting, we need to do the same thing that we did in question number 9. So using the binomial theorem, you evaluate, I have to solve this question, and when I have to solve this question, you know, I can't solve the key root 3 की value डाल दूं 1.732 or something like that and then put the value. So the very basic thing that I can do over here is I can put the formula, and when I'm putting the formula, I can be like very discreet when I'm putting the formula. C7 0 and 2 की power 7 plus, and then C7. Okay, I'll write everything that contains C. Okay, first C plus C की power 7 2 plus C की power 7 3 plus C की power 7 4 plus C की power 7 5 plus C की power 7 6 plus C की power 7 7. Is that okay, everyone? In order to just make my question simpler, I have shown you guys like that. Now I'll do this part. Okay, this part. Now इसमें 2 की पावर कितनी हो जाएगी? 1 कम 6 and root 3 is going to be root 3 into root 3, and this is going to be 2 की पावर 1 2 कम 5 and this going to be root 3 की पावर 2. This is going to be 2 की power 4 and this is going to be root 3 की power 3. This is going to be 2 की power 4 and this is going to be 3, and this is going to be root 3 की power 4. This is going to be 2 की power 2 and this is going to be root 3 की power 5. This is going to be 2 की power 1 and root 3 की power 6, and this is going to be root 3 की power 7. I hope you guys got this. Okay, but I have to write this part as well, so I'll be writing same. These are the same, only the sign is different. So I'm going to write the same thing. I'll be writing the same thing. C7 0, only thing is going to be plus minus plus minus. So this is going to be plus 2 की power 7 minus C की power 1 7 1 2 की power 6 into root 3 plus C की power 7 2 2 की power 5 root 3 की power 2 minus C की power 7 3 2 की power 4 root 3 cube plus C की power 7 4 2 की power 3 root 3 की power 4, and then minus, and then this is going to be C की power 7 and 5 2 की power 2 root 3 की power 5 plus C की power 7 6 and 2 की power 1 and root 3 की power 6 plus minus again, so minus 7 7 root 3 की power 7. Now there are negative sign, plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus. I need to make sure everything is जो negative रहना चाहिए. So this can be cancelled out, this part cancelled out. Okay, this part cancelled out. Very good. This part cancelled out. Okay, and then the last part cancelled out, and whatever is left, they are going to be left in 2s. So 2 I'm writing outside the bracket. So 2 C की power 7 0 2 की power 7 plus C की power 7 2 2 की power 2 5 and root 3 की power 2. Okay, and then plus C की power 7 and this is going to be 4 and 2 की power 3 and root 3 की power 4 plus C की power 7 6 2 into root 3 की power 6. That's it, and now I can very happily solve this. So this is going to be 1 1 into 2 की power 7, that's going to be 6, that's 532. And if I do 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 16, 4 4 the 16, 16 4s are 64, 128. Okay, this is going to be, think about it, this is going to be 7, 7 minus 5, and when I talk about 5, then it's 5 is cancelled, 2 7 3s are 21 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, it is 16, 32 into 3, plus this is going to be 7 factorial, 4 factorial and 3 factorial, 7 into 5 into 5, 3 into 2, 6 cancel, 35 into 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 into 9, plus this is going to be 6, 6 factorial, 6 minus 1 factorial, that's going to be 7 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, and then I can solve them out. Okay, I can multiply, and whatever your answer comes, you can just multiply that by 2, you'll get your answer. I hope you guys got this. Okay, I don't want to solve the whole question because I know you can do this question further. Okay, so I'll be helping you solve question number 14, though there's a hint given in the question. You guys can see the hint is clearly given in the question, but I really want you guys to understand how to do this question. I won't be doing the whole question for you, but I'll just channelize you how to do this question. Please keep your what do we say, calculators with you. When you're sitting and doing maths, you would really need calculators, so please do keep the calculators with you. So this is what I have to prove. Using the binomial theorem, expand this a plus b की power 4, and then I have to prove this. Prove 1 minus x whole to की power 8 इतना होगा, और 4 आ रहा है सबसे पहले में. So how can I prove? So the best way of proving this is, first I'll just expand x plus, sorry, a plus b की power 4, and that's going to give me a to the power 4 plus 4a 3b plus 6a 2b2 plus 4a b3 plus b4. So this is what I had to expand this. I did expand this very well. Okay, you guys can use the C formula also, or the combination formula, and then expand, but then I have to solve this. अब आप देखो, जब भी आपके पास क्वेश्चन आएगा आपको हिंट तो दे ही जाएगी नहीं, सो यू हैव टू सी कि यहाँ पे क्या गिवन है, प्रूफ क्या हो रहा है. और जो सबसे पहली चीज है, दैट इज कैरिंग 4 पावर. नाउ इफ दिस इज कैरिंग अ पावर 4, नाउ इट्स अ, you need to think a little bit bigger now. If this is carrying a power 4, it means किसी 4 का ही फैक्टराइज हो रखा है, तब जाके आया है. तो मैं क्या करूंगा, इसको पावर 4 बना दूंगा. कैसे बनाऊंगा, 1 माइनस एक्स ऐसे, सॉरी, एंड व्हेन आई सिंप्लीफाई दिस, यू नो दैट माय आंसर इज गोइंग टू 4 टू द 8. अगर वापस मल्टीप्लाई करता हूं तो मैंने क्या हो जाएगा, 1 का स्क्वायर माइनस 2x प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर टू द पावर 8, मैं सॉरी टू द पावर 4. मैंने क्या किया, आई एक्सपेंडेड दिस पार्ट, और 4 बाहर 4 ही बन गया. ओके, सो नाउ दिस आई कैन टेक एस a and this I can take as b. Very simple. This a and this b. Now I have already written down the formula. You guys can have a look. तो आप क्या करना है, आपको सिर्फ फॉर्मूले में डालना है 1 माइनस 2x टू द पावर 4 प्लस 4 1 माइनस 2x टू द पावर 3 एंड एक्स स्क्वायर ऐसे आ जाएगा इंटू, बिकॉज b क्या है हमारा, ये है. ठीक है, प्लस 6 1 माइनस 2x की पावर 2 एंड this plus 4 into a, that is 1 minus 2x into b क्या है मेरा x स्क्वायर इंटू क्यूब प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर का टू दी पावर 4. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर हमारा जो b है वो एक्स स्क्वायर है, तो ये स्क्वायर तो आएगा ही आएगा. एंड देन यू गाइस कैन जस्ट सॉल्व दिस फर्दर एंड यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस इज द सेम क्वेश्चन दैट इज कमिंग ओवर हियर, राइट ओवर हियर. यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दिस वेरी वेल. ठीक है, सेम चीज आ रही है, एग्जैक्टली सेम. Okay, so that's how you have to do this type of questions. You guys can keep that in mind. Okay, so when I solve this, I'll be getting 1 minus 2x whole to the power 4 plus 4x square. 4 and x square will get multiplied. 1 minus 2x का whole cube plus 6x4 1 minus 2x का whole square plus 4x to the power 6 1 minus 2x and plus x to the power 8. Hence, and if you check this out and this out, it's almost same. Almost nahi, pura same. Okay, so that's how you do this type of questions. Thanks for being with me and watching this video. Have a great day, everyone.